In today's tutorial, I am going to create for you a small program to generate a random number. The first thing I'm going to start with is a label. My label text, random number from 1 to 10. I don't need to worry about the name because I'm not going to access it in any other way. Border style, fixed 3D. Auto size is false. And I will change the font to Calibri. Bold and 14. So having back look here, I have my heading ready to go. Okay, I'm going to put in a button. Line it up, stretch it out. Let's make it a bit bigger. And this button is going to be called BTN random, and the text generate random number. The only other thing I'm going to put in here is a text box. Same length. Call this one TXT number. Multi-line is true. And text the line into the middle. And our program is set up. I might just change the form name, or the text on the form at least. Random number. Okay, so very simple to start coding this to do what we want it to do. All I'm going to do is double click on the generate random number, which brings us up the programming side. It is as simple as this. I am going to put in a variable called random1. Let's make it an integer, and let's make it equal to, this is an inbuilt, as you can see here, you probably can't, converts an expression to the integer data type. I'm passing it an int, so it's only going to return the integer portion of the number, no decimals, etc., etc. I am going to multiply it by 9, which will give me the figures of 0 to 9. Times it by an inbuilt function called RND, and then I'm going to add 1, which means that basically the value that I'm going to return will be between 1 and 10. It does always help to put in the randomize function there, just above it. And then all I'm going to do, once I've done this, is put in text number dot text is assign the value of random1. Let's debug and see what happens. So we have success. As I said, it is just giving me a random number between 0 and 9, and then adding 1 to it. So 10 obviously being the highest, 0 being the lowest. Part of your SAC requirements this year is to use this random generation number in some sort of guessing game. But by giving you this to work with first, will put you in good stead to complete that task.